Fáilte Rash, welcome back. Agus fáilte gidé an ceacht. Welcome to this little lesson. This is part 2 of praising the kids of Gaeilge. So a few little phrases that you can use in many different contexts to tell the poshty that they're doing really, really well in Irish, which is a really nice way to add in some Irish to your home and to your children's lives. For this, just to mention, first of all, that if you are an Irish mammy or daddy that is interested in adding more Irish to your home, raising your kids with another language, raising your kids with the Irish language and making it a real language for them and not just a school subject, then you can check out our Gaeilge guides for parents. They're specifically made for parents and they give you all the practical Irish that you need to be able to speak Irish at home to your kids, whether it's a little bit or a lot. We have 2 options to suit you, a starter guide and a complete guide. And this is all the Irish that I use at home to raise my child with Irish. She's a toddler now and she understands both Irish and English, and I've included all that in these guides for you because there's nothing else like that out there for parents. If you went to study an Irish language course, you would have to learn a lot of different things and you wouldn't get to the practical Irish that you can actually use every day. So that's what our guides are all about. And if that sounds like it suits you and your family, then check them out below. They're lifetime access. They're really easy. They're short videos. They're very easy for busy parents to be able to use. On we go. The first one, and Kian, is try it. So just to be able to tell the kids, just try it. Try it is Bon Trial Us. Bon Trial Us. Pronunciation disclaimer that I have on all of our slides because there are 3 different dialects of Irish. There's Connacht, Ulster and Munster. We also have the standard Irish, which is in print and media and what you might have learned at school. That's a lot of different dialects and a lot of different ways to say things. So you can type your phrase into aber.ie and choose an area that you're interested in if you have a particular dialect, because these words, phrases are pronounced different across the dialects and the pronunciation we give is a general standard Irish one. For example, Ban in Munster is more like Buin Trilas. So Buin Trilas or Ban Trilas. So again, type it into aber.ie if you have a preference with dialect. So try it in Irish, Ban Trilas. Now a nice little variation, just adding in one word, is try it again. So give it another go, give it another try. Ban Trial Ella Us. So you're only putting in Ella here. Ban Trial Ella Us, give it another try it again. Ban Trial Ella Us or Bun Trial Ella Us. And then Sean ain't a brilliant one for sport or playing any types of games. You played well. Dimmer to go ma. Dimmer to go ma. Dimmer to go ma. You played well. Again, each of these is pronounced different in the dialect. So do check aber.ie. You can type in your phrase. Dimmer is the past tense of play. So dimmer to you played. That's the verb immer in the past tense. And then go ma is well or good. Dimmer to go ma. You played well. Agus sinné tá sé fo éasca sin. That's it. It's that easy. If you'd like more of this Irish, check out our Gaeilge guides below. Check out this playlist on YouTube, which has lots of little mini lessons for parents. Agus feicimé an seachtain siúl. I'll see you next week.